In this session, I'd like to spend a little time explaining a high-level summary of Sage CRM features, but more importantly, where you can find more and learn about the benefits the product can deliver to you through the many resources we provide through our community and further afield online. Firstly, that reminder. Sage CRM suits almost any business, and it works for everyone in almost any business. Whether you're a finance representative, in the service side of your business, helping with the acquisition through marketing, or selling your products and services, Sage CRM works for every business and every business function within it. Common business issues affect all areas of all sorts of business, whether it's sales, service, marketing, or the business owner. Daily challenges such as forecasting and pipeline management, perhaps marketing campaign management, perhaps the provision and execution of customer service presents myriads of problems for individuals within departments and indeed for the entire business. Yet solutions like Sage CRM, which has been used by tens of thousands of businesses around the world, helps organizations manage their customer information in a single, easy-to-use solution, and, when integrated with existing financial systems, provides all users in all departments a single version of the truth. It means that all users can manage their customers in a more holistic way. They can be more productive, and they can help the entire company drive the business goals forward successfully. It's useful to think about the availability of features through the lens of most businesses, which, in some format, usually have all three of these activities going on, albeit they may be called different things. Consider the way a business, your business, finds or acquires new customers through marketing activities, sells their products or services, and delivers good customer service. And also think about it in the context of other use cases, like being on the road or integrating to accounts or other systems, perhaps adding specific add-ons for your industry, and having it hosted either on your own site or by a reseller partner or any other third-party hosting environment. The business value you derive from the product can cover any or all of the areas I've talked about already. However, the value you will return is really only worth considering if you think about how you use the system and the people you talk to about it and the returns you're looking to extract. Without doing these things correctly, sometimes looking at a product doesn't deliver the experience you're hoping for. It may help you to think about the way you use and deploy a tool like Sage CRM in your business if you look at it through the idea of trying to focus your thinking, focus your spend, focusing your project through these three dimensions. How can you use the features to help you increase revenue, avoid costs, or improve service? And you'll find these dimensions will be referred to many, many times as we go through some of the resources that are available to you to help you think about making your project with Sage CRM as successful as it can be. Let's have a quick summary for those of you that are new to the product before we go into those resources of how the product delivers what it does and what it looks like. The tool is all about delivering visibility about your customers, whoever they are, whatever you sell in whatever industry, including finance teams, but encompassing sales, marketing, and service. It helps people in these departments see what's going on through information such as sales history, the communications, who said what to whom and when, the service incidents you're dealing with, what's outstanding, what's to come, where else could this customer be interacting with you. It also overlays, through its built-in tools such as calendar management, the ability to work with your colleagues, to know what's going on, to call everyone together for certain activities, all pivoting or centering around customer records. It helps you schedule multi-user activities with these people in your teams and the customers you're helping out. The built-in workflow tool helps you design processes that make sure things are done when they should be, people are reminded, data is captured, nothing falls into a hole. And make sure that you carry out procedures in maybe line with your own process, but potentially in an area where compliance is demanded of your company. Built across every functional area of the product is the built-in reporting tool of Sage CRM. There's a whole suite of standard reporting categories. You can use these or build your own using the built-in report writing tool, helping every functional area understand, represent, and know what's going on with their business. Similarly, there's a range of dashboarding built into the product that helps you keep track of key performance metrics, whatever you do, however you manage. It's easily customizable for you, your teams, and the owner-operator of the business. It's all about delivering you business-wide benefits in whatever role you're in. Now, let's look at where you can find more information beyond this presentation to help you understand the range of features and the way you could make your CRM project a success. First of all, there's Sage University. This is available across all Sage products, including Sage CRM. And as the screenshot shows you here, this is information you can take advantage of to help you understand the product, be it getting started, be it a system administrator role you're looking to improve. That's step one, Sage University. Sage City is a fantastic source of information for Sage CRM as well. Within Sage City, you can read about the latest releases. You can see information on training. You can get updates on particular issues that have been identified by you or fellow users, as well as business-focused blogs that help you understand the way the product is used in other industries, gives you considerations to make your own CRM project a success, and much, much more. Be sure to take a look at Sage CRM on sagecity.com. Other information includes the Sage CRM Help Center. Here, we publish information about the technical side of the product, the availability of the platforms it can run on, the system administrator guides for those of you that are looking after systems on behalf of your company, user guides so that you can take advantage of the way we advise to use the product, either using our guides or taking pieces from ours and using it in your own training. You'll also get information on length of service in terms of supported releases, underlying platforms that are supported, underlying platforms that are being retired, and much, much more. So anytime you're looking into the technical provisioning of Sage CRM to either help your deployment or help your users, go to help.sagecrm.com for more information. Similarly, if you're learning or wishing to train yourself or others in the way Sage CRM works, Sage CRM itself, the headquarters based in Dublin, provides free training for a number of different audiences. We help technical, support, sales, and development audiences understand the inners and the inner workings of the product. For example, technical training helps you understand the way servers are installed, the way that the infrastructure of the product is designed, and how it reaches out to other systems, how it works in browsers, how it interacts with databases, and much, much more. If you're in sales role, particularly if you're a partner or reseller, but equally if you're a customer looking to engage your stakeholders with the product, our sales training offers ways to understand how to talk about the value of CRM. It helps make a case for the business benefits. It helps connect the features and the way they work to developing value and returning reward to your business in using the product. And if you're a developer and interested in either building add-ons to Sage CRM or getting very much under the hood of how Sage CRM works technically, looking at the API, the application programming interfaces, and more, then our developer training, made up of a series of written and video articles, helps you get deep into the product and understand the technicalities and where you could take it. Similarly, when speaking of videos, the Sage Customer Support and Training YouTube channel has lots of information on Sage CRM. Everything from 5-minute videos on how to set up a user, the technical security setup, and much, much more. We've designed these to be easily consumable in a different format from that written information I spoke of earlier, to appeal to people who like to learn visually. There are many, many dozens of videos there, and we add to these almost on a monthly basis. If you're interested in learning more about the way the product is used, either by customers, how resellers talk about it, and how you can think about your own usage of the product, do take a look at the Sage CRM Learning Series. Originally developed as a series of live webinars, they are recorded and available for on-demand consumption. And you can see on the screen the types of subjects we've covered over the years. Simply type into Google Sage CRM Learning Series and you should be taken to a page that reflects these drop-down on-demand webinars. If you're interested in learning more from blogs, the experience of both customers, resellers, and more, do look out for the Sage Advice Thought Leadership blog series. Covering all Sage products, there's an extended selection of Sage CRM-focused stories, including how to focus on the commercial benefits of the product, thinking about the business activities that would benefit from some of the features, a way to successfully run a project, the integration story between Sage 100 and other products around the world, and the add-ons including mapping and many more that can help Sage CRM do more for more people beyond the boxed product. And finally, if you prefer your entertainment and education delivered in an audio fashion, over the last few years, the Talking CRM podcast series have become a must-hear for Sage CRM enthusiasts, both long-term and new to the topic. Through the Sage Advice podcast channel, or Sage Thought Leadership as it is occasionally known, we've been interviewing customers, partners, add-on providers, and more. It's the most consistently seen product on the Sage Thought Leadership or Sage Advice podcast site, with over 30 episodes now on offer. Since the beginning of 2021, we've been talking to partners who help customers gain cross-organizational value from integrating CRM and accounting and other systems. We've got interviews with people based in Canada, customers like the Responsible Gaming Council and how they've used CRM to transform their business. Interviews with resellers such as AW Cape, who talk about their many customers in the South African market, including a residential company who use Sage CRM to manage customers in residential villages when it comes to things like electrical and water faults. We talk with partners who provide add-on products like mapping from S5 CRM. We talk to other partners who provide add-on products to help accelerate the use of Outlook and CRM together. So there's much, much more to be seen on sagethoughtleadership.com, just one of the many products. So there's much to be learned about Sage CRM on many different pieces of real estate across the web. Wherever you are in your journey with the product, we'd encourage you to look at Sage University, community.sagecrm.com, help.sagecrm.com, and the thought leadership available on the Sage Advice blog and the Sage podcast series. All of these things will help you realize how you, as a business, can get business-wide benefits for your company. All of these will help you learn more how Sage CRM can help you realize the benefits of the functional features that is Sage CRM.